Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use insert option in Excel in different way. Okay, I will show you here. This is my Excel sheet. I'm entering some data. If you want to insert something, just right click of mouse, click on the insert button. You get the four option here. I will show you what is the effect get of this all option. Okay, shift cell right side. Your cell will shift your right side of the Excel. Okay, when you select this option and insert the one cell, I just show you how it's work. Click on OK button. The cell is shift on the right side, but let's just insert the one cell here. Okay, and your cell is shift right side. Again, I use second option. Click on the insert button, shift cell down. Your cell is shift down and insert new cell in our. Okay, you can will show you how it work. Just click on OK. The cell is down and insert the one cell here. Add, it's inserted. Okay, again I will show you third option, entire row. Insert the entire row, full row. Insert. Okay, I will show you how it is work it. Just select the entire row option, click on OK button. You can see here the entire row is inserted. If you show the second fourth option, you can see here the insert entire column. When you click OK, you can see here the insert the entire column. This is a different way the insert cell in Excel. Okay, that's it. Thank you.